machining pull dowels on the Hardinge chucker. This is my setup. I have a turning tool. I had a finishing tool, but I found I don't need it. I have a tool to put chamfer on. Center drill. Drill. Tapping head. And cut off. There's the stop sit down here on the bottom, and I have an indicator set up for just to verify my first cut. These parts are not real big. They're 505 dowels, and it's a pull dowel, so it's got a threaded hole under to pull it out. I'm running this machine. This machine is a 440 three-phase, and of course I don't have 440 available, and you can't switch it. I made my own converter. It's running here in the background. It's 220 three-phase, and then I'm running it to a transformer, and I'm bumping that up to 440 to the power of this machine.